Good evening, K Trendline. Welcome back to Trendline PH, the only place where political drama comes with free commentary and emotional damage. The Senate turned unexpectedly spicy after Senator Robin Padilla announced that he plans to file an ethics complaint against Senator Kiko Pangilinan over an alleged shouting incident during the plenary session. It all started when Robin brought up the arrest issue involving Senator Bato de la Rosa, while comparing it to the past cases of Leila de Lima and Antonio Trillanes. But before the discussion could fully land, Kiko stepped in and said the matter should be discussed in committee hearings instead of taking over the plenary. Robin then tried to continue speaking, but Kiko suddenly raised his voice and declared, "For the record, Mr. President, I still have the floor."
Paano natin pag-uusapan yung ibang...
And for the record, Mr. President, I still have the floor. And for the record, Mr. President, we voted against resolution number 44. So to say that we have this resolution, yes, but there are senators who voted against it, and therefore it is not necessarily our agreement with the points being raised by the good senator from Camarines Norte.
And just like that, the Senate session briefly transformed into a group project meeting 5 minutes before the deadline. Robin immediately responded by saying he wanted to file an ethics complaint, asking if Senate rules actually allow senators to shout at one another. At that point, Senate President pro tempore Lauren Legarda suspended the session.
Meron lang po akong mga konting katanungan sa inyo. Sapagkat gusto ko po sanang ireklamo si Senator Pangilinan sa pagsigaw. Meron po ba sa rules natin na sinasabing pwede mong sigawan ng kapwa mo senador?
Mr. President.
Narinig ko yung malakas na boses ni Senator Kiko Pangilinan. Alam ko na si Senator Pangilinan ay dating galing sa broadcasting, baka nag-modulate. Maari po ba tayo ay mag-suspend muna para pag-usapan yung malakas na boses at wari pagsigaw ni Senator Pangilinan?
Excuse me, nasa akin po yung floor.
Senator Padilla has the floor. The chair is answering the question of Senator Padilla. Session is suspended.
During the suspension, senators gathered around trying to calm things down. Kiko reportedly reached out for reconciliation and attempted a handshake. But Robin said, "Not today."
Hindi mo ako pinalala mo para sabihin mo ako. Sigawan mo ako. Huwag mo akong hawakan. Kasi maniwala ka sa akin. Maginawa ko. Huwag mo akong sigaw.
Nagpapagawa po. Di ka kasi ikaw ay tumaas ang boses mo. At kung po.
Di ba tinakot? Ako ba nang takot? Ako nang takot sa iyo. Ikaw nga naninigaw. Ikaw ang naninigaw, ako nanakot.
Sir, hindi ako sumisigaw. Tumaas ang boses. Humihingi ako ng taong
Kita mo, iba meeting sa'yo ng sigaw at tumaas ang boses. Okay ba yun? Wala akong sinigawan dito kahit sino, boss. Hindi daw ako sinabi ko. Lahat, magalang ako sa inyo lahat. Pero sorry, pero kailangan mag-apologize.
Later, Robin told reporters that he and Kiko were okay, but explained that he simply isn't used to being shouted at. He also insisted that Kiko should apologize publicly in the plenary. Otherwise, Eddie, ethics. Short, direct. Sounds like the title of a legal action movie.
Okay na po kayo ni Senator Kiko?
Okay? May reklamo ko.
Ano pong specific na reklamo, sir?
Sa akin talaga, hindi ako sanay na sinisigawan. So, sinasabi nila na natural yan daw dito. Sa akin hindi. Ngayon, kung saan makakarating yung reklamo ko, bahala na magdesisyon kung sino yung magiging chairman ng committee ng ethics.
Saan po specifically, sir?
Ethics yan.
Robin later requested that the shouting incident be removed from Senate records because he didn't want future generations reading that a Muslim senator had once been yelled at inside the chamber.
Ang sabi po nila, tayo daw po ay balat sibuyas. Hindi po yan pagiging balat sibuyas. Ito po ay nasa rules of the Senate. At ang sabi din po ng ating dating Senate President, na ito daw po ay nangyayari talaga. Nagsisigawan. Mga mahal kong kasama, kung ikaw ay nagsasabi ng iyong talumpati at ikaw ay passionate, okay lang yon. Pero para sigawan mo ang kasama mo, nasaan ang rules of the Senate? Si Ginoong Kiko Pangilinan, ng ating senador, ay ilang beses na pong senador. Ako po ay neophyte kung tawagin. Napakainam po sana kung pakitaan niya ako ng magandang asal at ipakita sa akin na ganito, iho, ang pagsasabi ng I'm not finished. Hindi yung I have the floor with the burning eyes and the very high voice. Ladies and gentlemen, on record po ito. Nangyari po ito on record sa Senado. Humihingi po siya ng pag-abot ng kamay sa akin, hindi na on record. Paano ko po tatanggapin ng kamay niya? Ginawa niya yan on record. Kaya sana po, hinihingi po natin bilang pakikiisa sa aking dasal, na siya ay, kung siya talaga ay nais niyang mag-abot ng kamay, on record. Sabihin niya mismo sa plenaryo na siya ay nagkamali. Katulad po ng ginawa ni Senator Lacson na tumayo kanina at nagsabing siya ay nagkamali. Hindi po ito usapin ng lalabas tayo sa media at sasabihin mong balat sibuyas ako. Di tapon na natin itong rules of the Senate. Tapon na natin to. Di pa natin pala susundin eh. Mga mahal kong kasama, ang sinasabi ko dito, tanggalin natin yan sa record dahil ayokong mababasa yan ng aking mga anak at apo na ang isang Muslim senator ay sinisigaw-sigawan dito sa plenaryo. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat po sa binigay niyong pagkakataon.
Now here's the bigger question. Was Kiko truly angry? Or was that simply what the late Miriam Defensor Santiago once famously embodied, righteous indignation?
Can happen to any person.
Yeah, that's
Because
called
I
rage,
think,
though.
No, it's not called rage. It's called righteous indignation.
Okay.
Nakikita mong batas, yun ang hanap buhay mo. Ginaganyan, binabastos ng tao, tapos wala kang kakibo-kibo. For evil to triumph, it is sufficient that good men shall do nothing. Kaya kasalanan ko, nagdaldal ako. Ang gusto nila, manahimik ako at makisama. Yun ang problema.
Because if we're being historically accurate, Miriam Santiago's Senate voice could probably activate car alarms from 3 blocks away.
Shut up!
That's why I lost my temper, Mr. Chairman. Public Estates Authority is worlds apart from Phil Invest or whatever it is that he was mouthing. It implies that I was a member of the board of directors of a private company. I have never been so. Be careful with what you say to this committee.
I stand corrected.
You should be. Mr. Chairman, I most humbly request for this committee to consider this witness in contempt of court for deliberately misleading this committee and for particularly denigrating my integrity and my moral character.
Ibang argumento maisip sa utak mo.
One hand, I might die, and then they could get rid of me. But on the other hand, I might survive, and then I will get rid of them.
Certainly will not countenance any senator insulting me just because my opinion happens to be different from his. There! Will you please stop smiling and looking at your cell phone? If you're not listening to my speech, please step out. Go!
Honestly, if Robin Padilla had debated Miriam back then, the ethics complaint might have needed its own ethics complaint. For now, the Senate drama continues, the microphone survived, and the Filipino people once again received premium entertainment at no extra subscription fee. I'm Shaina, and this is Trendline PH, where the news breaks fast and sometimes so do tempers. Don't forget to like, follow, and share. See you next time, K Trendline